Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Excel export. And in this video, I will show you on how to export your Microsoft Excel as your CSV file. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Save As. Then go ahead and browse your file destination. Then I'm going to save this file into my desktop right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and save it in this particular folder. Then I'll hit on open. Then next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on save as type right here. Then you have CSV, comma limit. The next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on save as type right here. Then you have different formats right here. So what we are mostly interested right here is to choose CSV brackets, comma, delimited bracket, open and close bracket. So if your Excel format has some specific character, it is advisable that you choose comma delimited as CSV file. But if your Excel does not have some of the special character, go ahead and make sure you choose CSV, comma, delimited. Go ahead and select on that. Next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on save. And in a few seconds, the file has been successfully exported as CSV file. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how to use your Excel, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.